Hi guys, I am Rihas and I am indeed real. And today you will be learning how to draw hands. So recently I made a post which was totally not rigged. I don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing wrong with that post. You all said how much you wanted me to teach you how to draw hands. Well, I personally understand it. Hands are a struggle. Like, just look at this thing. From one angle it looks like this, and from the other it looks like this. How the hell did we went from this to this? But don't worry, because I'm here to provide you all with the inner peace we all want in life. Let's get started. The basic thing is that all hands have two main features that are, hard to draw. The first one is the palm. As I was saying, the first one is the palm, and the second one is the fingers. Makes sense if, cause these are the only two things on the hand. But now let's just get started off with the palm. Well, you see, palm, no matter when viewed from which angle, can always be simplified into a circle or an oval, at least in my humble opinion. Like for example, let's draw a quick hand over here, right? This is we're going to be like explaining stuff, and this is where the actual practical drawing stuff. Like let's draw a hand. Are we gonna start off with the palm, of course. But now if you see, this shape is pretty much what we all need for palm. Like let's like just try to imagine the shape of the palm over here. Well, that sure as hell was easy to imagine for me. Like, look, the palm is always simplified into a circle, no matter viewed from which angle. Like, let me show you my hand. Even if I like put this angle over here, like see, but still, as you can see, there's like this. How do I put it? Uh, you know, recording with one hand while using the other hand to explain is not the easiest thing to do. So please subscribe. Uh, as I was saying, you see this area over here of my palm. See how it's like a circle? Let me explain. Like this entire area of the palm could be simplified into this little oval shape. As I said, see how here this area, entire area just simplifies into the palm. How like we put the shape, if we like put the shapes in, you see it kind of resembles that. Now let's just get to the actual practical stuff, which is the fingers. Fingers, well, they are hard, but let me just explain them by breaking them. Fingers are sausages, yeah, and these sausages are cut into three equal parts. That's why when drawing fingers, I would all highly recommend you all to make three strokes. Like no matter drawing from which angle, you should always make three strokes like this. Simple, alright? Now, now if when we are drawing fingers in perspective, know this. See over here, this thing. This is your finger, all right. Now, if your hand is straight and if your hand is like this straight, and then your fingers, of course, gonna be like straight as well. But as your hand moves towards the camera, the finger will get smaller and smaller to the point when it looks like this. This is like called foreshortening, if you don't know. Like this is my hand straight, and then as it moves towards you, it's smaller. Notice how it went to this from this, like this level of longness, and then like completely short. Now let's apply all of this knowledge into drawing a practical hand. I'm sorry, I just can't record with one hand and then use the other hand to draw. So I'm gonna have to use it stepwise. All right. Step one, what we have learned, we have to make a circle. Circle made. Boom. All right. Step two will be defining the shape a bit more. What hand are we trying to draw over here? This shape of the hand. This is cause in my opinion the hardest shape of the hand. All right. Since we know this shape is like a bit more of an oval shape, let's just cut down our circle from the two sides. Now the third thing will be like the palm, and this is like all the weird all the knuckles going. So let's just draw that in real quick. Now that we have drawn the basic shape, let me just point out all the little things that you all want to look out over here. So as I stated earlier, fingers are just three equal lengths. So always make sure to measure that. This is why this finger looks off over here. I'm sorry if I didn't explain something or something that you wanted me to explain and just got overlooked. Well, that was pretty much it. All that's the best I can do at explaining how to draw hands. I hope you all understood. If you did not, just leave a comment down below. I'll try to explain. And that's pretty much it. Bye. Bye. Also, right, if you don't subscribe, what I'm gonna do. You know right. You know right what I'm gonna do if you don't subscribe, right? You know right.